Have you ever felt a sudden tingling or numbness in your hands or feet? It's unsettling, isn't it? These sensations might be more than just fleeting feelings. They could be signs of nerve damage. But did you know that with the right vitamins, you can actually repair this damage and restore your nerve health? Nerves are like the body's electrical wiring, carrying messages between the brain and every part of our bodies. When they're damaged, it can disrupt this communication, affecting how we move, feel, and interact with the world. Common symptoms of nerve damage include pain, numbness, and a decrease in muscle strength, all of which can severely impact daily activities and overall quality of life. But there's good news. Certain vitamins play a pivotal role in repairing and maintaining nerve health. Vitamins such as B1, B6, B12, and E are crucial. They help build and sustain the myelin sheath, a protective coating that surrounds nerve fibers and facilitates the rapid transmission of electrical impulses. When this sheath is healthy, your nerves can communicate effectively, preventing misfires and malfunctions. Moreover, these vitamins help in the regeneration of nerve cells and reduce inflammation, which can alleviate pain and restore function. Imagine regaining the ability to walk without pain, or to finally have a night's sleep undisturbed by tingling sensations. It's not just about relief, it's about reclaiming your life. By incorporating foods rich in these vital nutrients, like leafy greens, nuts, whole grains, and fish into your diet, you're not just eating well, you're fortifying your nervous system against future damage and nurturing it back to health. Your nerves are integral to every movement and sensation. Protect them with the right nutrients and they'll keep you moving smoothly and feeling great. It's not just food for thought, it's food for life. Number 1, vitamin B1 thiamine. Let's explore a key nutrient that's essential for your nervous system's health. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Thiamine is vital for the proper function of nerve cells and plays a pivotal role in converting nutrients into energy, an essential process for nerve signal transmission. Thiamine's importance extends to the maintenance and repair of the myelin sheath, the protective coating that surrounds nerve fibers. This sheath is crucial for the fast and efficient transmission of electrical signals through the nervous system. A well-maintained myelin sheath helps prevent nerve misfires and degradation, which can lead to symptoms like numbness and pain. Unfortunately, thiamine deficiencies can lead to severe neurological issues, including disorders like beriberi, which impacts both the cardiovascular and nervous systems, and Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, a serious brain disorder. These conditions highlight the critical need for adequate thiamine intake. To ensure you're getting enough thiamine, consider incorporating thiamine-rich foods into your diet. Whole grains like brown rice and barley are excellent sources. For protein, lean pork and beef are among the best options. Vegetarians can look to legumes, nuts, and seeds, which are also packed with this essential vitamin. By maintaining a diet rich in thiamine, you're not just feeding your body, you're fortifying your nerves to function optimally, enhancing your overall health and well-being. Number 2, vitamin B6 pyridoxine. Turning our focus to another essential nutrient for nervous system health. Let's talk about vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine. This vital vitamin plays a multifaceted role in your body, particularly in brain and nerve function. Pyridoxine is crucial for creating neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that allow neurons to communicate effectively across the brain and body. Vitamin B6's contribution to nerve health goes beyond neurotransmitter synthesis. It also helps in maintaining the protective coverings of nerve endings. This is important because these coverings enhance the speed and efficiency of electrical impulses traveling through the nerves. A deficiency in pyridoxine can lead to a breakdown of these processes, resulting in symptoms like irritability, depression, and cognitive decline, highlighting its importance for mental and neurological health. Ensuring adequate intake of vitamin B6 is key for preventing and managing conditions associated with nerve damage and poor brain health. Foods rich in pyridoxine include chicken, turkey, tuna, and salmon, making them excellent choices for meat eaters. Vegetarians need not worry, as vitamin B6 is also found in high quantities in chickpeas, bananas, and fortified cereals. By integrating these foods into your daily diet, you can support optimal nerve function and mental health, ensuring that your nervous system operates smoothly and effectively. Remember, a well-nourished body is a well-functioning body, and vitamin B6 is a cornerstone of that nutrition. Number 3, vitamin B12, cobalamin. Next, let's delve into the critical role of vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, in maintaining nerve health. This vitamin is essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system and plays a pivotal role in the formation of red blood cells and the maintenance of central nervous system integrity. Cobalamin is crucial for the synthesis of myelin, the protective sheath that covers nerves. Myelin not only protects nerves but also enhances the speed and efficiency of electrical impulse transmission across nerve cells. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to significant nerve damage, resulting in symptoms such as numbness, tingling, and even impaired movement, which underscores the importance of maintaining adequate levels of this vitamin. The body does not produce vitamin B12 on its own, making it essential to consume it through diet or supplements. The best sources of vitamin B12 are animal-based products such as meats, dairy, eggs, and fish. For those on a plant-based diet, fortified foods like cereals, plant milks, and nutritional yeast are vital to ensure sufficient intake. Regularly including these B12-rich foods in your diet is crucial for nerve health. Adequate intake of cobalamin not only supports the physiological functions of your nervous system, but also helps maintain energy levels and overall vitality. Protect your nervous system by ensuring you're getting enough vitamin B12 every day. Number 4, vitamin D. Shifting our focus to a nutrient that's often associated with bone health but is equally crucial for the nervous system. Vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is indispensable for the proper functioning of nerves, muscles, and the immune system. It plays a significant role in the regulation of calcium, which is vital for nerve conduction and the health of the nervous system. Vitamin D is essential for the growth and repair of nerve cells and plays a key role in the modulation of inflammation, a common cause of neuropathy and other nerve disorders. Adequate levels of vitamin D can help reduce the risk of multiple sclerosis and other autoimmune diseases that affect the nervous system. Furthermore, it supports the overall function of the brain and helps maintain mental clarity. The primary source of vitamin D is sunlight. Exposure to sunlight triggers the synthesis of vitamin D in the skin. However, in regions with limited sunlight or during the darker winter months, it's important to rely on dietary sources. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources. Eggs and fortified foods such as milk, orange juice, and cereals also contribute to the intake of this vital vitamin. Ensuring a sufficient level of vitamin D through diet, supplements, or sunlight exposure can dramatically enhance nerve function and protect against nerve-related disorders. It's not just about strong bones. Vitamin D is a powerhouse for maintaining healthy nerve function and ensuring your nervous system remains robust and resilient. Number 5, vitamin E. Let's explore vitamin E, a powerhouse antioxidant known for its profound benefits on skin and heart health, but equally essential for the nervous system. Vitamin E plays a critical role in protecting nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage, which can lead to neurological diseases. This fat-soluble vitamin helps maintain the integrity of cell membranes throughout the body, including those of nerve cells. By protecting these cells from harmful free radicals, vitamin E supports healthy nerve function and promotes the repair of damaged nerve tissue. Its antioxidant properties are crucial for slowing down processes that can damage cells and tissues in the nervous system. Adequate vitamin E levels are associated with a decreased risk of cognitive decline and can help combat conditions like Alzheimer's disease by protecting the brain from oxidative stress. Furthermore, vitamin E supports overall immune health, which is vital for preventing diseases that can affect nerve health. Rich sources of vitamin E include vegetable oils like wheat germ, sunflower, and safflower oils, nuts such as almonds and hazelnuts, and seeds like sunflower seeds. Leafy greens such as spinach and broccoli also provide good amounts of this nutrient. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you maintain optimal levels of vitamin E, ensuring your nervous system is protected and functioning effectively. By prioritizing a diet rich in vitamin E, you not only safeguard your nervous system but also enhance your overall health, contributing to better immune function and reduced inflammation. Number 6, vitamin C. Next on our list of essential nutrients for nerve health is vitamin C, widely celebrated for its immune-boosting properties, but also critically important for maintaining a robust nervous system. This powerhouse vitamin plays a key role in the repair and growth of tissues, including those of the nervous system. Vitamin C is involved in the synthesis of collagen, an important protein for repairing damaged nerves and other tissues. It also helps produce neurotransmitters such as serotonin and norepinephrine, which are crucial for proper brain function and mood regulation. Moreover, vitamin C is a potent antioxidant, protecting nerve cells from potentially harmful free radicals and oxidative stress that can lead to neurodegenerative diseases. A deficiency in vitamin C can lead to a reduced ability to repair tissues and a slower response to healing from injuries, including those affecting nerves. Therefore, maintaining adequate levels of this vitamin is essential for neurological health and overall vitality. You can boost your vitamin C intake by incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are famously rich in vitamin C. Other excellent sources include strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers, and dark leafy greens such as kale and spinach. Incorporating these foods into your meals ensures your nervous system has the nutrients it needs to function optimally. and recover from daily wear and tear. Vitamin C is not just a boost for your immune system, it's a vital supporter of your nerve health too. Number 7, vitamin B9 folate. Rounding out our list of essential vitamins for nerve health is vitamin B9, commonly known as folate. This water-soluble vitamin is crucial for cellular growth and regeneration, playing a key role in the formation of DNA and RNA and aiding in the rapid growth of dividing cells, including those in the nervous system. Folate is particularly important for brain health and proper nerve function. It helps in the production of neurotransmitters, which are essential for sending signals throughout the brain and nervous system. Moreover, folate is vital for maintaining the integrity of DNA within nerve cells, ensuring they function correctly and efficiently. A deficiency in folate can lead to neurological disorders, such as peripheral neuropathy, and cognitive impairments, including memory loss and decreased cognitive function. Therefore, ensuring an adequate intake of folate is fundamental for nerve health and overall mental wellness. Good dietary sources of folate include leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and arugula. Legumes like lentils and beans, as well as fruits like avocados and bananas, are also rich in folate. For those looking to boost their folate intake, fortified foods like bread, cereals, and pastas are additional options. Including these folate-rich foods in your diet supports the repair and maintenance of your nervous system, enhances brain function, and helps prevent nerve-related health issues. Vitamin B9 isn't just vital for expectant mothers. It's essential for everyone seeking to maintain optimal nerve and brain health. As we've explored today, vitamins B1, B6, B12, D, E, C, and B9 play crucial roles in maintaining and enhancing nerve health. Each one supports vital functions, from nerve repair and neurotransmitter production to protecting against oxidative stress. Ensuring your diet is rich in these nutrients can dramatically improve your nervous system's functionality and overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Stay healthy and take good care of your nerves.